Got a sneaker unboxing. 2 new pickups from N Clothing. Let's get to it. Very big box. Very big box. Boom, big N on the box. Picked up 2 pair of kicks. I'll cover that up. So I picked up the Adidas Consortium EQTs and a Saucony Quiet Life Shadow 5000. Very surprised these sold out super quick. But let's get to these sneakers right here. 6.5 EQTs, 2 out of 3, F15. Saw these were on sale and in my size, picked it up. There you go. It's like a dust green, like an olive. Has the Boost on the bottom, Adidas on the back, extra green laces, dark green laces. Now, these are sick. You see that prime knit pattern? And has a prime knit all throughout, just a different design on this one. It says Adidas on the inside. On the bottom, Adidas, and then just the Boost. Wrapped. Here's the other pair. Try these on. See how these fit. Yep, it's a pretty dope sneaker. Yeah, that's that. Let's get to the other one. This one is Shadow 5000s, UK 6. Colorway is black and light blue. Always go half size, full size down on Saucony since I like a snug fit. Here's the box. Quiet Life and Saucony collaboration. Has a little Cosmo print, Galaxy. Comes with a dust bag or a shoe bag. It says the Quiet Life in this nice design. Super dope. There's also zippers inside, so you can put stuff in there. Yep. Alright, let's get to the sneakers. Here you go. Love that nylon print. Has a suede on the toe box, black, and then has this little light blue suede, and it says Life. The bottoms, these are sick. These are sick. It says the Quiet Life inside. Quilted patch. There's the tongue, says the Quiet Life. Yeah, these are sick. These sold out everywhere. I was able to grab it off end. Just gotta be patient. When they drop them, it's just automatic sold out, but you have to refresh. And sizes popped up, and they sold out super quick. Got 3 laces right here, black, mint, and black. But yeah, these are sexy right here. I love that print. Nylon material. Not a lot of people like these. It's all good. Buy what you like. I think these are one of the best Sauconys that dropped this year. Nice suede. Very nice suede. Yep. Thanks for watching. These are my 2 new pickups. Saucony Quiet Life collaboration and the EQTs. Yep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Double unboxing from N. See you guys in the next video. Peace.